Hello, so this is my freshwater tank from my camper. I need to patch this hole right here. That's not supposed to be open. It was sealed at one point but came open somehow. Here's the vent, and here's the fill. So that's all it needs. It doesn't need this. When I fill this up all the way with water, the water comes out here and pools on top of the tank and rests against my wooden floor and rotted the floor. You can see that in my earlier videos about the camper. Going to be using Weld WaterWeld to patch this hole. It's an NSF approved product for food grade applications. It says drinking water safe on it. Literally says great for potable water tanks. If you're sealing your freshwater tank, you must use an NSF approved product. NSF tests products and approves them for food grade applications. I'm not sure if this would work on a big crack, but it'll definitely work on a hole like this. If you have a big crack in your tank, I would take it somewhere and get it plastic welded. Gotta make sure it's clean. So basically all you do with this save those pieces. Just cut off the amount that you need. Save the piece that you don't use for future applications. Now, with this piece, you knead it together so the gray and white are mixed evenly. Probably want to use gloves for this. And then you have a patched tank. And I would recommend wearing rubber gloves, because while it does come off the hands, it's a little bit difficult to get off. Next I'll fill the tank with water and make sure it doesn't leak before I reinstall it in my camper. And I'll save the rest of this for a rainy day, or something like that. If you need some WaterWeld, I'll have a link in the description to where you can buy it. This is not a sponsored video. There are other NSF approved sealants that you can buy. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload videos.